doing a lesson on acids and bases. And this lesson can be done in physical science, chemistry, of course, and biology. Okay, so I'm going to start off with a chemistry, right? And I'm going to make use of different substances, or the beakers that I have here. Okay, I'll start off with these two beakers right here, okay? I want you to make observations as I do the activity, or as I do the demonstration. Make observations, write down those, and formulate hypotheses or inferences in your mind, in your notebook, about what happens, what I'm doing, right? And anything that you observe as I do the activity in the demonstration. Yeah. Right? So, can you tell me what you see right here? Water. Water. Liquid. Color. Color. Okay. Now, I'll try to make some changes in color here. Alright? So both are clear liquids. Alright? So let's see. What color would be good?
Purple.
Green. Green. Purple.
Yellow.
Okay, I'm wearing pink. I think I'll go for pink. Okay, so let's see. Is it turning pink?
Yeah.
Turning pink?
Yes.
Yes, it is. Okay, yes, it is. Now, I think I don't like pink. Alright, let me change it back to the clear color. Okay, the color of the solution. So, let me give that a try and see how it works. Okay, now you see pink?
No.
Now you don't. Alright? Okay. I have the vocabulary here. Which substances did you using did I combine? Alright, get that effect. We've studied or we've learned about acids and bases previously. Okay, we discussed the main ideas about acids and bases, acid-base indicators. Right, so apply what we have learned about acids, bases, and acid-base indicators to explain, okay, what you saw, what you observed. Okay? And so we will be moving on to a quick review of the concepts. And then we're gonna do another activity where you will observe more changes in color. Okay? More things about acids and bases, okay? Related to acids and bases.
Okay, all of you have the reaction plates and you have the different chemicals in there. And also you have this this chart, the acids and bases. This is where you're going to record your results. Okay, and you do have the pH strips in these bags, and also you have the pH scale. This is what you're going to use to see if you have acids or bases. Can you go back to the scale? And we're using the scale. On this scale, you can see 7 is neutral, and it's the pure water. And less than 7, those are all acids, and more than 7, those are the bases. Okay, and then should we do the lab first? We're going to do the lab first, the properties of acids and bases. Okay, so first of all, in each well in your reaction plate, use the pH strips and put those in each well and record what their color will be. Okay, if they're acids or bases.
Normally, we'll let students get the solution, so they apply their skills in measuring and transferring liquids. But for demonstration purposes, we've done that for you. So you have the reaction plate, and you have the different solutions there.
And we already have.
And then you just, put the pH paper
Try to
there.
make it faster.
You have the strips of pH paper, and you have the scale with which you can compare the colors. Okay, and as you do that,
And you compare
there's an
the
activity
color.
sheet that you can fill out. Okay,
You
there's
don't
a
have
sheet
that?
that you have to fill out.
You can change it, this activity for the life science students. You can make it more complicated for the honors level. You can make it simple or simple, however you want to change it, like however you want to do it. General level classes
And these are
or
common
CP or
household
honors.
substances, and so the kids get to see, you know, and get to identify whether those common substances are.
Your water is not neutral?
7 is water. Number 5.
Yeah, 7 is water.
Number 4.
So that means that's what they're saying. Water, we got it from outside. The one we're drinking. So it's not neutral. Don't worry, we're okay.
We have.
And you can try other solutions.
Could it be the little
Other
tray?
acids.
Because I tried a different spot here with the water that Saul just got, and it's a different color than number 7. So I'm wondering if maybe the tray was a little bit contaminated.
No. Not the tray.
Water source.
We washed it. Trays were clean. Let's go over the different properties of the acids and bases. The characteristics. Differences, acids, those are more sour. The bases, they're bitter in taste. And the acids, they have hydrogen ions, free hydrogen ions, and hydronium ions in them. And the bases, they have the hydroxide ions. And when you use the litmus paper, the acids, they change the litmus paper to red, and the bases, they change them to blue. Okay, you can, when you're doing a lab, you can change it. You can do an extended activity with them. So just do using the phenolphthalein solution, or like using the pH scale, and also the litmus paper or red cabbage solution.
All right.